Cloak of invisibility. I don't think you guys are Harry Potter, so you can't be invisible about it. If you are romantically inclined towards everyone, I'm sure your looks and your flirtations and sharing coffee and everything will be noticed by your colleagues. Everybody knows when there's a romance brewing between two people in an office. It's not possible for a person not to know. Avoid using company resources for your private affairs. That's happened, you know. I've seen that happen. I am going for an office trip. Can I also get another ticket so I can go for this office trip? And two people are going on a romantic holiday when they're supposed to maybe cover something. I'm talking about the media right now because I think that's the only thing that you can relate to. But I know this has happened before. One of my friends has done it actually, which I think was funny, but still. Keep your hands to yourself. They are always best suited there. I don't know about that. But PDA at work, I don't know. PDA in general, I'm not that kicked about. I think especially in India where every man is just staring at you like that. When if you're like completely covered. But yeah, so PDA, not in a formal atmosphere. How to use your charm to make the guys do your work? Everybody's agreeing with me. Dress stylish, smile, and voila. Have them drooling over you before you know it. Okay, this is my tip. Always dress right. I don't know about guys, but I always judge a book by its cover. I think this is the first thing that we learn, especially when I was doing a course on how to address people, how to speak to people. If you're dressed and present yourself in a certain way, people take you more seriously. People think that, you know, and also if you have a pleasant demeanor, people want to speak to you, people want to talk to you. So dress nice, smell nice, wear nice shoes, and always smile. And guys, please comb your hair. You know that this gel look, not happening anymore. That was very 90s. Nothing. No, I did not say that. Okay. What are puppy faces for? Practice makes perfect. It was not for you, Ayush, I swear.
It's a radical pairing in the film.
What are puppy faces for? Practice makes it perfect. Okay, I know girls that I'm an extreme feminist, but sometimes men are stupid. Sorry. So, most of the time. So what you need to do is make, oh, I'm so weak, can you please help me? And they do help you. So use your strengths and sometimes your apparent weaknesses as strengths. True? Claim to be best friends with them. Friendship se badkar aur kuch hai kya? Oh, you're such a good friend. That always works. Always. There's nothing better than...
Yeah.
Why?
Just a friend, as in it doesn't work.
It works.
No.
But I'm going to introduce Mr. VK Saigal now. That's Rishi Kapoor,
Abira.
who plays my dad. And he has something else to say. He wants to know which is better, pyar ya paisa. And you can get a job at YRF, apparently, if you decide that paisa is what's more important in your life. No, that was a joke. Please don't take that seriously. Okay.
You can ask them some questions, yeah. Like,
Well, you want me to ask?
Pyar ya paisa.
Pyar ya paisa, guys. Pyar ya paisa. Who said that? Paisa was so loud. Who said that? I want to know. That was a guy's voice. Who is that? You said paisa.
Why paisa?
If you have paisa, you look good. You can maintain yourself. When you maintain yourself, you get love.
Yeah?
People want to talk to you. People want to look at you.
Sensible, intelligent.
Do you have any other?
Pyar ya paisa?
Pyar?
Pyar, pyar.
Pyar kyun pyar?
Both, yaar. She's like, I want it all. 50-50. What about you?
What's your take?
What's my take?
Yeah.
You know, my mom always tells me, you know, the reason I don't give too much, I don't give too much weight to money. But she says that I do that is because I've always had it. So I don't know what it is not to have when I don't have the money. So I've always never given too much importance to money. I always feel like if I sign a film or if I get into a relationship or anything, it's never about the money. But then my mother and my father keep saying that because you've always had it and you come from such a comfortable background, you can make those decisions and not think about it too much. So I have that kind of luxury, and I can be that brave because I can. But yeah, right now in the position that I'm in, I would always go for love.
Always had poor guy friends. I
Yeah.
guess.
Well, who friends?
Poor guy friends.
Guy friends or boyfriends?
Boyfriends.
Boyfriends.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm gonna say poor, but yeah. I always made a little more money than them.
I think pyar is food for soul and paisa is food for stomach. I think I'll go with pyar for sure.
No, but suppose you have a girlfriend like Myra who earns way more than you do.
Yeah,
So you've
I'm
got the
not-
love and she's paying
Not
for all
full
the
of
food,
ego.
yeah?
There's no ego. I think if your basic necessities are there, then I think pyar for sure.
Yeah.
When I got married, I had 10,000 in my bank. Now I have 15,000.
Wow. I mean, I don't believe it at all. Such a liar.
Come on, yeah.
What?
Chalo, 15 and a half. Yeah, 15,000 maybe.
ये जो भी shows करते हैं जो हम नहीं करते, जो भी appearance करते हैं जो हम नहीं करते, मैं तो सिर्फ मतलब मैं नहीं करती हूँ यार, मैं तो सिर्फ मैं I don't know why I'm talking like this. I think I've already got into some dolly ki dolly mode. But मैं तो नहीं करती हूँ ना. I do films and 1 or 2 ads, 3 ads, 4 ads कर लेती हूँ.
Okay,
It was a joke.
stretch it.
Yeah, I can't help it.
I think, okay, the main sketch of the story is that I'm jobless in the film. Completely jobless, and she's earning more than me.
Obviously.
And I've applied for a marketing job at YRF.
Yeah.
And we're looking for a marketing executive.
And this is not a joke.
At YRF, this is not a joke.
This is not a joke.
Serious.
We are serious. There is going to be a headhunter, and they are actually looking for someone who's going to be a senior executive in the marketing department of Yash Raj. That doesn't mean you become an actress like Parineeti Chopra, but you will. It's a proper job.
Or Bhumi.
No, Bhumi was casting. Yeah, I'm talking about marketing department.
YRF.
YRF. Correct. Bhumi is his new co-star. Yeah. So this is not a stepping stone to become an actor, but this is a very, very serious job for marketing. Basically, how to sell films.
Like if you're a marketing person and you like films, I think YRF is the best place to be.
Yeah, if you're a
When
good
you enter
salesperson.
YRF, तो आपको Maple Leaves झड़ते हुए नजर आएंगे जो मोहब्बतें में use हुए थे. Like normally you listen to all this boring tunes in the lift and elevators.
And the chili cheese toast is also very good.
Chili cheese was very nice. But in the elevator, you'll get to listen to Kumar Sanu croon. Tujhe dekha to ye ja. So that'll be amazing. So environment in YRF is amazing.
Yeah, so if anybody, this is a serious thing. We will, Ayushman and I will be doing the interviews. There will be a headhunter, and the marketing head will decide who is going to get a job. That day, that person is going to leave. One person is going to leave the building with a letter saying that they are an employee at YRF.
Senior executive.
Senior executive.
Senior executive.
See, I said that already. Didn't I say that? Yeah, I did. See? Okay, cool. Any questions? 65,000.
Highest salary in the film is 65,000.
So I guess only 65,000 is a
65,000
lot.
is
Of
the
money.
offer. There you go.
I get much more, darling. Don't you see my outfit?
Come in.
You match the tie, babe.
No, yeah, it's just.
It's a he was in Chandigarh, so we couldn't coordinate, huh? Yeah, but you can make out, na? Who makes more money?
You can have more questions, if not money.
Like you said, you're earning more than him. They say men don't have an issue with it, but sometimes that topic kind of eventually comes up that he's earning more than you.
Yeah.
So then you kind of the conversation, the fights,
Because it's